Attorney General Mark Brnovich filed an investigative report Thursday that basically fast-tracks the rideshare fee issue at Sky Harbor to the Supreme Court.
The city of Phoenix can correct this problem tomorrow, and that's all they have to do is rescind the statute.
He says the added fees are unconstitutional because in 2018, voters prohibited cities from charging taxes or fees on services.
Basically, the city council, most of the city council, a majority of it, disregarded the will of the voters and said that they're going to go ahead and impose a fee on ride-sharing services at Sky Harbor Airport.
Brnovich's investigation came about when State Representative Nancy Bardo filed an official complaint saying Phoenix city ordinance might violate state law. The AG's office was legally obligated to look into it. He's taking it to the Supreme Court to have them rule. What do you think about that?
That's about the best news I've heard all day.
Uber didn't give us a comment on the new development, but the company says they still plan to pull service from Sky Harbor if the increased fees go into effect in February.
It was upsetting, however, I'd rather pay the $4 rather than not have Uber or Lyft.
The city's legal counsel says Phoenix stands by its ordinance, and they're confident the Supreme Court will be on their side.
The city's ordinance does for rideshare companies what every other company that operates at the airport already does, which is it charges them a fee to access and use the airport's property to make a profit.
But they're not the only confident ones.
I believe very confidently, not only is the law on our side, but I believe that what we're doing is the right thing.
Now the timeline in this gets tricky because it could take 6 to 8 months for all this to get worked out. Meanwhile, the AG's office says it plans to ask the state Supreme Court to put these fees on hold so they don't go into effect while they're deciding the case. We'll see if that happens. Live at Sky Harbor Airport tonight, Spencer Blake for Arizona's Family.